hope you are fine and doing well. Today we are here with another topic that is exploring the further trigonometry, in which we will understand the advanced concepts of trigonometry. Let's start. First of all, we begin with the concept of triangles in trigonometry. We are going to discuss the relation between trigonometry with the angled triangles. There are three triangles involved in the trigonometric ratios that are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and right angle triangle. You are already familiar with these type of triangles, but here we are going to discuss the triangles relationship with the trigonometry. Now, with the first type of triangle, that is equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a type of triangle that have all three sides equal in its length and all three angles are equal, each measuring 60 degrees. This makes it a regular polygon with three sides. In trigonometry, the equilateral triangles plays a significant role in understanding the basic relationships between the sides and angles of triangle is isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a type of triangle in which at least two sides are of equal length. This implies that at least two angles of the triangles are also equal. Obviously, in an isosceles triangle, the side opposite the base is typically referred to as the vertex angle and the two equal sides are referred to as the legs. In trigonometry, isosceles triangles are related through the concept of trigonometric ratios and their definitions. Although isosceles triangles themselves don't have a direct relationship with trigonometry as equilateral triangle, they can still be used to illustrate and understand trigonometric concepts. Triangles. A right triangle is a type of triangle that has one angle measuring 90 degrees, which is called a right angle. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse and the other two sides are called legs. Right triangles are fundamental in trigonometry because they provide the basis for defining and understanding trigonometry. Here is an example of right angle triangle. You can see that the opposite side of right angle has a side H. It is representing hypotenuse, and the other two are not sides, but these are called legs of the right angle triangle. And we are legs of this right triangle. The finding of right angled triangle. The angles are directly linked with right angle triangle is directly linked with Pythagorean theorem and trigonometric ratios. Pythagoras theorem and trigonometry. Here is a question: when do Pythagoras theorem is used? The answer is in a right angle triangle. The Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. Mathematically, it can be written as h square is equal to a square plus. Now, we have another question: when do trigonometric ratios are used? In trigonometry, the trigonometric ratios that are sine, cosine, and tangent are defined based on the angles of a right triangle. These ratios are used to relate the angles of the triangle to the length of its sides. Mathematically, it can be calculated by sine, cosine, and tangent equations. Now, lesson summary. We had a short lesson today, and here is what we learned in this short lesson is about triangles, their types, their solvings, their methods to find their sides, implementing Pythagoras theorem, and implementing the trigonometric ratios. Here we discuss about when do we use. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TheCAGSMentor for more educational content like this. And if you have any question or topics you would like to see covered in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, happy learning.